Today I'm going to show you how to change regular radio to Android head unit. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and take this out. You can use this tool to take it out. We're going to go ahead and unscrew 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to take this out. Let's go ahead and take out the radio. This is what we have so far. I'm going to remove this main socket. This is what we have in the back. We're just going to take out the main one. And there, and here, and here. There are 4 things to remove. Now we're good to go. Let's see the cables. We have 4 of them. Here we have 4 things to plug it in. Here is the main harness. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Like that. And then when you press it, you need the lock. Now it's locked. Let's see the other cables. Here is the USB. I'm just gonna connect it like that. This is for the radio. So far so good. So far I connected 3 things. 1, 2, and the main harness. Let me go ahead and turn it on. Now it's in accessory mode. Let's wait a little bit and see. It is working wonderful. Android 13. Since this is the first time, it's gonna take a while to open it. Everything is going very smoothly.